Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is fill in the blanks. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks, and this is lecture number 15, and I will give you SW. Our today's SW number will be 14 number SW. Dear student, we have already done this fill in the blanks with our chapters. In our annual exam, we have 21 fill in the blanks total. Today we will do 1 to 10 fill in the blanks altogether. Let us start today's class. You can see here is 10 fill in the blanks from 1 to 10. Our 1 number fill in the blanks is waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases spread through dash water. The answer will be waterborne diseases spread through contaminated water. So we will write here contaminated. Our next fill in the blanks is 2 number. Cholera, dysentery and typhoid are dash disease. The answer will be cholera, dysentery and typhoid are waterborne disease. So we will write here waterborne. So cholera, dysentery and typhoid are waterborne disease. Here will be under E. 3 number. A dash lifestyle helps to keep and improve our health and well-being. A healthy lifestyle helps to keep and improve our health and well-being. So answer will be healthy. So we will write here healthy. Healthy. 4 number is we can prepare safe water by boiling, filtering and using dash. We can prepare safe water by boiling, filtering and using water purifying tablet. So the answer will be water purifying tablet. Tablets. Our 5 number filling the blanks is the best way to prevent waterborne disease is to stop the transmission of dash. The answer will be germs. The best way to prevent waterborne disease is to stop the transmission of germs. So we will write here germs. Our 6 number fill in the blanks is here. 6 number fill in the blanks is a dash is a material found in nature that is useful to people. The answer will be a natural resource. So we will write here natural resource. Natural resource. So a natural resource is a material found in nature that is useful to people. 7 number is gold, silver, etc. are dash resources. Gold, silver, etc. are, the answer will be minerals. So we will write here minerals. This is minerals, minerals, resources. Gold, silver, etc. are minerals, resources. 8 number is oil, coal and natural gas are dash fuel. Oil, coal and natural gas are, answer will be fossil, fossil fuel. So we will write here fossil, fossil fuel. 9 number is through dash old things can be reproduced into new things. Through, the answer will be recycling. Through recycling, so we will write here recycling. Through recycling, old things can be reproduced into new things. Our 10 number and the last one is wind and water current are used to generate dash. Wind and water current are used to generate electricity. The answer will be electricity. So we will write here electricity. So dear student, that's it. I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 40 number SW. And our SW will be this, fill in the blanks. Here is 10, filling the blanks from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. This is your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 14 number SW, and remember that when you will do your SW, please write down the SW number, and your SW will be fill in the blanks from 1 number to 10 number. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.